Ralph Earle was born May 11, 1751, died August 16, 1801. Dwight was an American artist known for his landscape paintings and numerous portraits. Earle probably trained his son, painter Ralph Eleaser Whiteside Earl, and was an influence on his nephew Augustus Earle, who is reputed to have been the first European artist to have visited all 5 continents. Ralph's brother James Earl was also a portrait painter. Like many of the colonial craftsmen, Earle was self-taught, and for many years was an itinerant painter. In 1775, Earle visited Lexington and Concord, which were the sites of recent battles in the American Revolution. In London, he entered the studio of Benjamin West, and painted the king and many notables. Earle continued painting portraits in the town of Norwich. After his return to America, he made portraits of Timothy Dwight, Governor Caleb Strong, Roger Sherman, and other prominent men. He also painted a large picture of Niagara Falls. In September 1786, while living in New York City, Earle was imprisoned for failing to pay his personal debts. Even while in jail, he drew portraits of his visitors, friends, and family of the Society for the Relief of Distressed Debtors. He was released in January 1788.